Speaker 1, male French voice. Bonjour, mes amis. Today, let's dive into one of the most common misconceptions in the programming world, Java and JavaScript. Are they related? Do they serve the same purpose? Let's find out. Speaker 2, female Californian accent. First off, let's clear the air. Java and JavaScript are like apples and oranges. They might sound similar, but they're quite different. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems in the mid-90s, while JavaScript was created by Netscape around the same time. The naming similarity is purely coincidental. Speaker 1. Java is a statically typed, object-oriented programming language. It's designed to be portable, meaning you can run the same code on any machine that has the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, installed. This makes Java a popular choice for large-scale enterprise applications and Android app development. Speaker 2. JavaScript, on the other hand, is a dynamically typed, interpreted scripting language. It's primarily used for adding interactivity to web pages. Think of those cool effects and animations you see on websites. That's JavaScript in action. JavaScript runs in the browser, making it essential for modern web development. Speaker 1. One key difference is in how they're executed. Java code is compiled into bytecode before it runs on the JVM. This compilation step makes Java applications generally faster and more efficient. Speaker 2. JavaScript doesn't go through a compilation step. Instead, it's interpreted by the browser in real time. This makes it incredibly flexible and easy to use for quick changes. But it also means JavaScript can be slower and less efficient compared to Java. Speaker 1. Let's talk about syntax. Java's syntax is more verbose and strict. It requires explicit declarations for variables and data types, which can make the code more readable and less prone to errors. But it also means more lines of code. Speaker 2. JavaScript's syntax is more relaxed and concise. Variables can be declared on the fly, and data types are determined dynamically. This makes JavaScript quicker to write, but can lead to unexpected bugs if you're not careful. Speaker 1. In terms of usage, Java is king in the back-end development world. It's used in server-side applications, big data technologies, and even scientific computing. Speaker 2. JavaScript reigns supreme on the front end. Libraries like React.js, Angular, and Vue.js have revolutionized web development, making it easier to create interactive and dynamic user interfaces. Speaker 1. So, the next time someone says Java and JavaScript are the same, you'll know better. They each have their own unique strengths and use cases. Speaker 2. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more programming insights. See you next time. Speaker 1. Au revoir.